Alright, so I'm in the shop now, almost done shopping. I couldn't even find, I'm looking for a duster, couldn't find anything. And this is one of the non-stick sponge that I use this a lot, and I have some of this at home. I'm just looking for something different. Oh yes, and let's see, I do my cleaning shopping a lot. I always want to stack up so I don't run out of anything. And this is what I've already got in my cart. Just doing grocery shopping and some cleaning stuff as well. And I think I need this brush. This is nice and soft. You can see that. Yeah. This is for cleaning my bathtub. It's cleaning my bathtub. Yes, I like this. It's not too heavy. And yeah, I think I couldn't find a duster yet. Alright, let's go here. Yeah, this is one of the good stuff. Mr. Clean, I have some. As you really need that at home. It's really good. And then I have the steel wool pad, and this is really good. I have some, but I'm gonna buy this as well. Alright, couldn't find the duster I'm looking for, so yeah, this I bought. I tried this. I didn't like it at all. No, this I don't like it. Let's find something else. Alright, you can see a lot of cleaning supplies here. I love to stock up because it's really good all the time, and I use this a lot. Swiffer, this is the best thing to have. So I am going to get one. This is the wet mopping club. Yeah, I'm going to get one of this, but let's get, this is for my wool floor for my bedroom. I use this for my kitchen, and then my wood floor bedroom. So I'm gonna get this one. This is really good. See this one? You really need to have something like that. And I have the mop, the Swiffer itself already. I have that already. You can see this. And yeah, those are very, very handy. Cleaning supplies, very, very handy. These are cleaning essentials that you always want to have at hand. All these are something that you always need to use at home. So that's what I want to share with you for my cleaning supplies today. I share that with you, and as you can see, all that I just purchased. I need some, bleach for myself, for my laundry as well. Hey, how are you?
I'm good.
Good. All right, and then we're just gonna get a few more things, and then we are done for the shopping. So this is grocery shopping / cleaning supply essential shopping. So I'm getting some. I love this. This is my favorite. We love this in Ghana a lot, and I always go for this. This is hot chocolate. You can make anything with it. Alright. Oh, I'm going to get some fresh tomatoes as well. Alright, so I'm getting some fresh tomatoes. This is Roma Tomatoes. Gonna make some stew with this. good ones. As you can see, a little bit harder ones that will last a little bit, which you don't have to use it all. You can always keep it. So just get some nice ones. These are really good. Alright. Okay. And that should be enough for our stew. Well, look at our cart, it's getting full. Now let's see what else. And this is Walmart. Okay, I think I should at least have everything I need. I got my cleaning product essentials that I need, and then I got some of I got water, spring water, juice, tomatoes, onions, and then I have some stuff here too, some eggs and other stuff. Okay, right, and I think just got to get some lemon. So 1 or 2 lemons for us. That should be good. A lot of fresh fruits and vegetables in this store. I love to shop here as well. And I love mushrooms, so I am going to get 1 mushroom. This is what they have. They have all kinds. Like this one. Sometimes they will have the white one. I always like the brown one. Mushrooms. It's really good. And I think I need some spinach. Spinach. Oh, I have collard greens at home, so I'll just add the spinach to it. So now we are just going to check out.
Select from list or key in the item's code.
Alright, so I'm just at the checkout, checking out my groceries, and I'm doing a self-checkout, which is so easy. Alright.
Key in the item's code.
I'm just weighing my tomatoes on a scale. Just that, and just click that.
Select from list or
And
key in the item's code.
Tomatoes. So I'm gonna do tomato, and then we have options. This is what I have, Roma tomato, and I just touched that one. Just set it on the scale, and then it weighs it. That is done. That stuff. This is so easy. Just check yourself out quickly. Got my milk. I just finished scanning everything. You can see my cards, and I'm just gonna finish paying, and then we're gonna be heading home.
Thank you for shopping at Walmart.
Alright, so I just finished, and that is our receipt for today's purchase. We are done. Thank you for coming with me to shop, and I just want to show you how I stack up on my products, my cleaning stuff, and grocery shopping, and the process I take to, scan myself and be ready to go.